Well, I survived 41 days in the Foothills Hospital. You'll be hearing more about that in the future. Got home yesterday, went in October 29th, got home yesterday, certainly feels good to be home. Cleaned up some of the suspects that were here from when my little accident happened. The empty Listerine bottle was still sitting there. That's basically what happened, is I slipped on a little bit of Listerine that was on the floor in the bathroom. So it was empty anyway, so I threw all that out today. On my way home from the hospital yesterday, I stopped and picked up some groceries because after 41 days there wasn't much in the fridge except mold. And I'm really glad I picked up a liter of eggnog too. I thought, what the heck, Christmas is coming up. Splurge. I've got liquor in my cabinet that's been there for over 3 years. Might as well start using it. And I'm sure glad I did, because anybody that's been following my other little YouTubes know that I'm not overly impressed with what has happened to healthcare in this province. But that's I'll be expressing a lot of that along the lines. Today I got my bill from Alberta Health Services for the ambulance ride. Now, had I known it was going to cost me $351 friggin' to get to the hospital where I was admitted, so it wasn't like this wasn't an actual call, I might have actually tried to drag my ass down to a taxi and do that $20 ride. I can't understand how something like ambulance service can be considered a user fee issue when you have no say over it. If you're in a car accident lying by the side of the road nearly dead and the ambulance takes you to the hospital, you're gonna wind up with this ambulance bill. You know, seniors that fall at home, I can see now why they're afraid to call an ambulance, because these things aren't covered. This is just another friggin' user fee passed on from the government. $351 to get to the hospital in the event of an emergency is nothing but gouging by the Alberta Health Services. And I'll tell you right now, Alberta Health Services, after my 41 days in the hospital, you guys have kicked a hornet's nest. Because when I look at 49 pages of organizational chart with absolutely full of at least all six-figure positions, it drives me nuts. So you'll be hearing more about me when it comes to this $351.76 ambulance bill. Well, we'll deal with that at a later time, but God, you've pissed me off. So I was pretty gentle before. I had to be gentle. I was subject to the care of the nurses in that hospital. You don't bite the hand that's feeding you. I don't have to be gentle anymore. So gloves off here, baby, because I'm coming at you. And that's the bottom line. Just one man's opinion. Thanks. Have a good day. Talk to you later.